Welcome to the intro training exercises for Sharperlight and Business Central. This is exercise 8. Please follow the video carefully, and if needed, use the PDF listed within the description for further information. Exercise 8 has two parts, A and B. In part A, we will create a drill through, and in part B, we'll clone the drill through, then alter it to make a detailed drill through report. This exercise uses the query saved from exercise 2, so please open your saved query from exercise 2. Before we create a drill through, we want to change our query. To start, we'll change our posting date to be from 2021-07-01 to 2022-03-31. Then we will update filter and output names. You can refer to the PDF table list or use the table displayed at the top right. Check your filter names and if needed, change them. On the company, have company, geo account number, posting date as posting date, income balance as income balance, exclude closing income statement entries as exclude closing. For outputs, change account number to account number, account name to account name, and amount to amount. In the Outputs pane, you can select on the Outputs title to display a drop-down menu. From here, select Drill Through. Here we have the Drill Through window to create a new drill through. Either click on the document icon or click on the New button. We want to now set our menu title to Source. This is the description that displays when we right-click on our previewed data. To edit the drill through, click on Edit Query. A window will open that looks similar to our original query. We usually refer to the origin query as the parent query, and any query under it, for example, the drill through, as a child query. With our drill through, it is recommended that you wipe the query and start from scratch. This is to prevent the same naming conventions for filters and outputs between the parent and child query. A quick way to start over is to simply open the table lookup and reselect the table. From here, we want our drill through to be filtered by the row we select. On geo account number, select the filter drop-down and select % account number. The % denotes an output field, so % account number is the output account number from the parent query. For the posting date, open the drop-down and select @posting date. The denotes a filter. The @posting date to should populate if you use the drop-down on the from filter parameter. If it didn't, select it for the to filter parameter. How we know the @posting date isn't self-referential is because our filter defaulted to the code @postdate. When we named our filters in the parent query, it prevents it from sharing the same codes as any child query. Add a filter for exclude closing income statement entries, and using the drop-down select @exclude closing, which means it uses the parent query's filter value. Now output the fields source code, source number, customer vendor bank, and amount. Click OK and you'll be taken back to the drill through window. You can click on Close to save. Our query should now have a drill through, which you can see if the drill through lookup button appears. Preview the query and right-click on any row. Since we named our drill through Source, that is how it displays. Select Source, and we will then see the drill through based on the drill through query we defined. It passed the account number we drilled on, and then also filters by the parent query's posting date and exclude closing income statement entries filter parameters. Proof that the drill through is working is that the total is the drilled on rows amount. Close the drill preview and go back to the query. We'll right-click on the filters pane and click on Save to save our query definition. Save this under a name similar to Exercise 8A. For part B, we want to create another drill through, but a detailed version of the drill. We can open up the drill through window by using the drill through lookup button. On our drill source, right-click and clone. This will create a copy for our drill through. Name this copy Details and then click on Edit Query. From here, we are happy with our filter parameters. We only want to change our outputs. Right click on an output and Delete All to remove all outputs at once. Now output posting date, document type, document number, description, and amount. Click on OK, then close to save. We should now have 2 drill throughs. Preview the query and right click. We should see 2 drill throughs. This time select Details. From here we see a drill through, but it shows a more detailed version as that's what we created. Drill through templates can be nested, so you can define a drill through on a drill. There is no limitation on this, however we recommend no more than 3 levels. This concludes the training for exercise 8 for Business Central. For more information and in-depth explanations, please refer back to the training PDF.